I think Wilmot broke. Uh-oh, he's gonna break again because here comes Fuzzy. Nope, Fuzzy missed, going somewhere else. Okay, there he goes. Oh, there's number 44. Holy cow.